Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents. Now I'm at 20 Belmont Road in Ilfracombe. It's a lovely, spacious 5-bedroom, 3-storey terraced Victorian family home with a huge kitchen cum family room at the rear, perfect for modern day family life. Now this property's got plenty of space. You've got 2 further reception rooms as well as the 5 bedrooms, a bathroom and a separate toilet. The property is conveniently situated close to the picturesque Torrs walk, not too far from the high street and also the other local amenities. At the rear, there's a good-sized, sunny and low-maintenance garden and unrestricted parking at the front. So let's take a look around this one now. Okay, so we're inside the property now. We just come into the entrance lobby, and as you'll see, the first thing that hits you when you come in the door here is this lovely original Victorian mosaic tiled floor which runs up through from the lobby into the entrance hallway. Nice panelled door here as well, and the hallway leads straight up through. And you get this sight line right through the property, through the large kitchen and right out to the back garden. You've also got this lovely staircase with the original spindle balustrade as well, which is a really nice feature and a nod to the era of the property. Now there's 2 good sized reception rooms as well as the huge kitchen, as we'll see. Now this is the sort of the more cosy, more snug sort of formal room, I suppose, the lounge, and you've got the fireplace there which provides a focal point to the room. Bay window to the front which enjoys a pleasant open outlook down Broad Park Avenue, which sits right opposite the house here, and out towards the Torrs. So actually you're really close to the Torrs walk here, which is really lovely. And if you've got a dog or something like that, you can go for some really fantastic walks up over the Torrs with some breathtaking coastal scenery there. In truth, you're not a million miles from everything here. You can walk down to the high street quite easily, and there's everything that you need on hand. So that's the lounge. And this sort of second reception room is whatever you want it to be. I mean, currently the owners use it as a playroom for their children, but it could easily be a formal dining space if you wanted it to be. It could be an office and study area if you work from home, but it's great for the kids to have their own sort of play area. You can see, you know, the games machines and things will come out there, and it's a multi-purpose room, perfect for the family market. Now there is another way round actually there through into the kitchen. But we're going to go around the more conventional route here. So just past this lovely flooring again. Now this is really the heart of the home. I mean, this is where it all happens, I would guess. It's a fantastic sort of family-sized kitchen cum living room, really. And you know, kitchen's a great place for people to congregate. You know, if you're entertaining family or friends, you've got plenty of space in here. If you were wanting to sort of have a barbecue or something outside, you've got that sort of seamless connection indoor and outdoor living through those double doors there at the rear, which go out onto the large low maintenance courtyard garden. More of that a bit later. You've got the kitchen area up at this end. You see the range style cooker there. You've got your washing machine, and you've got dishwasher and tumble dryer. Little breakfast bar here, which is quite good, perfect for morning coffee. Plenty of space for the big American style fridge freezer, and there's lots and lots of storage down through here. You'll see cupboards right the way down through the room there, and plenty of space of course for the family sized dining table and chairs there. I like the fact there's a light well here as well, which lets a lot more light sort of pour down through to give this room just that extra special feel. So as I say, this really is the jewel in the crown for this part of the property, and a great space for the modern day family living. So there we are, that concludes our ground floor tour. We'll now head upstairs towards the bedrooms. So I've climbed up, I'm on the half landing now, just looking back down towards the ground floor there. Again, this lovely sort of spindle balustrade theme continues as the stairs wind its way up to the second floor. We've got 2 bedrooms at the front there, and at the rear here we've got a bathroom and a separate toilet. But the bathroom in here is a good size. You've got a separate shower cubicle, hand basin, toilet and the bath. So you've got the best of both worlds here with the bath and the shower, tiled walls here. And immediately adjacent you've got another toilet, which is really handy. So again, you've got a toilet and hand basin in here, modern white suite. So good facilities for the family home. And I mentioned a second ago we've got 2 double-sized bedrooms on this floor. This would be bedroom 2, so it'd make a really good guest room, I suppose. So plenty of room for all your furniture, of course. You've got your wardrobe there, your double bed and chest of drawers. Looking out the back of the property here, it's quite a nice outlook from the rear. I'll show you some more of that when we get upstairs. But again, these nice old panelled doors, these strip panelled doors, are quite a nice feature of the property as well. The main bedroom is in here, and this is a big room, this, as you'll see. So lots of windows here, allowing plenty of light to flood in. There's a great big bed in here, so it just again highlights the size that you have got in here. And there's a chaise lounge, if you like, or a sofa. And over the far side, we've actually got quite sizable mirror-fronted wardrobes in there. They're not built-in ones, but just gives you an idea that you can fit an awful lot in here. I mentioned the views down Broad Park Avenue earlier towards the Torrs. There we are. Quite a nice outlook there, looking out towards the Torrs. And as I say, this is a really lovely, spacious, airy room. So that's the 2 bedrooms, bathroom and toilet on this floor. We'll now head upstairs to the final few bedrooms on the 2nd floor. Okay, final few stairs to climb. We're up on the 2nd floor landing now. It's attached to a loft space there, which is great for storage. And we've got 3 more bedrooms up here. 1, 2, and 3. So this is the smallest room in the house. You know, makes a good kids room or something like that, but equally would make a good office area again. You know, bedrooms don't all have to be bedrooms. You can use them for whatever you want. So if you live and work from home, that would make a good study office area. This is, along with the one at the back, really very similar sized sort of double bedrooms. This is at the front of the building, so you've got a decent sized bed there. You've got plenty of room around this side for all of the other furnishings. And again, you look out towards the Torrs from up here, which is a nice open outlook. So final bedroom in the house is double-sized bedroom at the rear. Here we go. And you've got this really nice dormer at the rear here, which enjoys a good view over the town, up towards the Score Valley in one direction, and in the other direction out towards Capstan and the sea. Sea and the sky are unfortunately a slightly similar colour today, so it makes it more difficult to tell that the sea is there, but I promise you that it is. So there we are. That concludes, should I say, our internal tour. We'll now head outside to the garden. So final part of our tour is just out in the rear garden here. You'll see it's nice and low maintenance, but it is a really good size, and actually you get the sun in here really quite nicely as well. So the garden is walled all around. You've got the gated access at the rear, which goes out onto a rear pedestrian lane. So it's handy for getting garden equipment and things in and out without having to traipse through the house. So I'll just spin around and give you the aspect from this side. You'll see the big extension on the back of the property here. It really starts to emphasise, you know, how you get the size of that kitchen. So that extension is quite significant. But this is a nice area. You know, you can sit out here, have an alfresco meal, a barbecue. As you can see, the children can play out here quite nicely, kick a football around and play basketball, whatever it is you want to do. So, you know, the garden does suit all. So it's a really nice area, this, as I say, and gets good sunlight as well. So there we are, one final pan around, and that will conclude our tour of 20 Belmont Road. So there we are, that is 20 Belmont Road in Ilfracombe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, this is a lovely, spacious family home, and of course that kitchen really is the jewel in the crown here. So to come and view this property physically, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.